Good morning students. Let's understand sentence structures of simple present tense. We have to study four sentence structures: affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. First, affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence structure for simple present tense is subject, V1, object or other words and full stop. See here, subject, V1, object or other words. Object and other words, because in some sentences there are object and some sentences they are without object, so that time only other words. So subject, V1 plus object or other words, it is a sentence structure of affirmative sentence of simple present tense. Subject, V1, object and other words. For example, she goes to school. Subject, V1, other words, full stop. Affirmative sentence. Now, negative sentence structure. Subject, do or does, not, V1 plus object or other words. Subject, do or does, not, V1, object or other words and full stop. Now see this sentence, he goes to school. It's negative, C, after that does, because C it is third person singular, after that not, then V1, go. Why I have used go? Because we have used does, so we have to remove es from the verb. She does not go to school. The sentence is negative. Now, interrogative sentence structure. Do or does, then subject, V1, object or other words and at last question mark. Interrogative sentence means question sentence. So at the end of the sentence there is question mark. I repeat, sentence structure of interrogative. Do or does, S means subject, V1, object or other words and question mark. She goes to school, affirmative sentence, it's interrogative. Does she go to school? Does, subject, V1, other words and question mark. Now the last sentence structure, that is negative interrogative. Negative interrogative sentence structure, first do or does, then subject, then not, then V1, then object or other words and at last question mark. I repeat, negative interrogative sentence structure, first do or does, subject, not, V1, object or other words and question mark. Do or does, subject, not, V1, object or other words and at last question mark. She goes to school. It's negative interrogative, that is does, subject C, after that not, then V1, other words and question mark. Does she not go to school? So this is sentence structure of simple present tense. These are four sentence structures of simple present tense: affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative interrogative. Thank you students.